Okay, for today, gagawa kami ng... So today is our nutrition day. So we need to cook a healthy food. So this is my groupmate, Harper, Rose, Jen, and Palmes. So let's go. Oh. Say hi to my vlog.
Hi! Patingin mo lang sa ganito.
Anong ginagawa nyo? Pesto. So, we're cooking pasta. Lulutuin natin is,
White pasta.
pasta.
Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel! Guys, yun na lang muna natin. Tapos picture na lang natin yun.
So, today is our nutrition day. Hi, Purity. What happened to you? Hello to my black Purity. Wake up, my baby. Kung ano to? Baklang to?
Mamaya ka na mag-vlog.